Hello kids! How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to talk about Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics is basically a phonetic sounds with actions. To know about the rhymes of it, let's start the video. Ants on my arms, ants on my arms, ants on my arms, they're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the bug to play. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, We are clicking castanets, ka. See me playing on my drum. Playing drum is a lot of fun with the da 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 da. See me playing on my drum. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, cracking eggs like this. My friend and I went to beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air comes out. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink she spilled all over the desk. Ink is wet. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. We lick the lollipops, we lick the lollipops. We lick the lollipops. The mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for the hungry children. To remember these rhymes related to sounds, you have to thoroughly revise it again and again or on regular basis. If you like my today's video, then hit like, share and subscribe button.